Jack, here it comes, buddy.
Got it? Just put it right back in there. Okay?
Here it comes. Hole number 26. Yeah, I mean, for you, maybe just when it actually gets on the turntable. Here it comes, Jack. Batteries.
Yeah, I'm still at 20%.
We'll have to plug them in when we get in the car because mine's done. Here it comes.
Probably because it shoots out steam, huh?
Wow, Jack, check it out, buddy. On a real turntable. Look at that. So cool. Which door are they going to put it in, Jack? Which door you think? Which one? I think it's 18. We'll see. Oh, look, there's a guy in there.
Oh, they're spinning it. Wow.
Ha ha! Just like Sodor.
Cool. It's just like yours at home.
Pretty neat. A real life turntable. Oh, look at the coal with the fireman, Jack.
Busy.
He's shoveling coal. Look at them, they're both shoveling. Look at that, Jack.
Keep it going. Steamy.
Uh-oh. Slowing down.
And that is amazing.
Pretty cool.
You're right, it does back in.
Oh, maybe not. It might go the whole way around.
I think they do that so everybody can see how it works.
Probably. Old number 26, Jack.
Maybe they do pull it. It seems like they're back at him. All good.
Yeah, I don't know. Looks like they're gonna head in. Head first. Yeah, he's getting ready. He's got his gloves on. Here it goes, Jack. They're gonna start chuffing. Gotta line it up with 18. Man, that is really cool. It's gonna go in there for the night.
Take a rest.
Maybe they'll see a shooting star.
Sure, they would back at him. Good girl.
Oh, here we go.
There it goes, Jack. And good night. Good night, Baldwin Locomotive.
Check them out.
Get your rest.
Look at that.
Into the roundhouse. Good night. That was really cool, you guys.
Very cool.
Look at it. I mean, I can safely say that'll probably be the only time I watch a real life train go into a roundhouse.
It's probably the only place in America you can. I mean, unless you work for the railway or something. I think we should go right now. Go over there.